Nicey! Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So, at na naman tayo guys. 1 month na naman yung inabot bago ako makapag-upload ng bagong video. But anyways, ayun nga, for today's video, naisip kong mag-vlog kasi ngayon yung free time ko. And meron kaming upcoming vacation, magpa-pack up na ako later. And ayun, samahan niyo akong mag-pack up ng mga gamit ko. So ito pala guys, may share ako sa inyo kasi may mga nag-message sa akin. Wala na daw ba ako naiisip na contents kaya hindi ako nag-upload. Actually, marami ako naiisip na contents. Marami akong pwedeng gawin na contents. Lalo na ngayon, meron na kaming sariling place. Tapos, meron pa akong sariling kwarto. Ang daming lugar na pwede akong mag-vlog. Kaso, recently kasi, meron akong pinaghahandaan na, secret pa. Gusto ko kasi sanang ikip muna yun sa sarili ko and sa mga taong malalapit sa akin. So, sila lang yung nakakaalam kung ano yung pinaghahandaan ko na yun. So, ayun, mamaya tayo magdaldal dahil kailangan ko ng mag-breakfast. Tingnan nyo guys yung tea strainer ko. Cactus. Ang cute. Hey, hot water. So this is my tea. And for my breakfast, ako'y magpe-prepare ng oatmeal. Puro oatmeal yung kinakain ko.
Drifting in the open water, bigger than a manhole cover, gentle giant of the sea. How did you come to be?
Kain!
Yeah, look at
It
that.
will not be on the 12 because
there's-
there's thunderstorm. You'll not be able to go out.
So we're leaving on the 18th?
So that's what dates that we're looking at. We're trying to get everybody to schedule together. 18th and come back the 21st.
Maybe I'll just call them that I won't take my time off the next week.
Because if we don't go to Utah, we're going to Grand Canyon, Valley of Fire. Those are both day trips far away. Then you can go to Mount Charleston hiking, or you're going to go hiking and rent the thing. And then we'll
Are we
come back.
going to stay? Or are we going to... It's just a day trip.
Just it.
Day trips, yeah.
So guys, supposedly, 'di ba, magkakaroon ako ng packing up vlog ngayon kaso nagkaroon ng changes sa plans namin para sa vacation namin next week. So hindi na kami mag 3-day vacation kasi yung pupuntahan namin ay magkakaroon daw ng thunderstorm. So, ayaw naman nila na hindi namin ma-enjoy yung vacation, kaya hindi na kami tutuloy doon. So, ayun, sadly, hindi ako makakapag-pack up later. Sayang naman. Pero aalis pa rin kami next week. Hindi nga lang siya 3-day vacation. Magiging day tour na lang yata siya. And iba na rin yung pupuntahan namin. So, yung first plan kasi namin is pupunta ng Utah. Kaso, ayun nga, magkakaroon ng thunderstorm. Sayang, sobrang ganda sana nung pupuntahan namin doon. So, yung plan B is, ayun, day tour siya. And abangan nyo na lang yung vlog ko na yun kasi mag-vlog naman ako doon. So, malalaman nyo. Siguro malalaman nyo sa ipopost kong picture sa IG. So, follow nyo ako sa IG. Nalagay ko dito yung username ko. So, ayun. Sayang di yung makapag-pack up.
Never warmed up to me or anybody. Jenny said she found you by the side of the road. When she was out of town, took care of you like my own. But now I'm moving out, and I gotta go. But I'm gonna miss you, I hope you know. Oh, Priscilla, you're a walking, living shadow. Two bright eyes, peeking from behind the blinds. Oh, Priscilla, scared of your own shadow. Oh, a better cat I'm never gonna find. Oh, Priscilla, you're a walking, living shadow. Two bright eyes, watching the world go by. Oh, Priscilla, never been in a meadow. Oh, I'm moving out So I guess this is goodbye.
Sorry. Hi, guys! Wait lang, naisip ko na ako ang lamig kasi dito. Wait lang, tigyawat. Ha? Picture daw. Hey guys, ang ganda dito. Gusto kong tumira doon mo. Doon na lang tayo tumira. Welcome to Baguio. Gusto kong tumira doon. Say hi!
Never warmed up to me or anybody. Jenny said she found you by the side of the road.
Ayan, meron silang restaurant dito. And then mga cabins. Nire-rent pa, diba ma? Yeah. We can always go back. Yeah. We can always go back. Oh gosh, nisip mo. Oh my god. Ang ganda dito. Oh my god. Hi, mama. Ang ganda. Ha? Oh, bibili ako bahay dito. Ay, nagpapagawa ako ng bahay dito. So, doon guys, sa baba, may mga hotels doon. Yung isa nandun, hindi ko makita. Maganda yung hotel doon sa may, dito sa may likod ng bush. Ng trees. Stop over. Ang galakad ba tayo?
You don't go. And then it goes to this. I think that's called Mummy Peak or something.
This one?
This one right here, this big hill.
The big
It's
hill,
funky
okay.
looking. I don't think you can go to the top. I'm not sure if you can. But...
Yeah. Look at the view. I love you. Ang ganda talaga dito sa Baguio.
To the edge over there, that one. And you see that desert there? That's a bombing range. That's where they shoot off, drop bombs, and they shoot.
Oh, this one?
That's why it's open, yeah. To the right, this side's where they train for the military police before they go to overseas. It's gonna be out that way. You take that road and it's this way. There's a whole military base.
At the back of the mountain?
Yeah, and that's where if you were in Air Force and you did the UAVs, that's the whole UAVs, and that's where the Thunderbirds practice. So the aerial demonstration Thunderbirds, that's where they practice. They fly at Nellis and they fly down this route, the highway there, and they fly to the base. And the base is going to be right over here.
Are you filming him?
No, I'm not.
Film him.
No, I'm just filming the mountains. Hi guys. May CR ba dito na i-iyak? So guys, dito pala sa part ng Vegas na to, dito nag-i-snow, kaya malamig dito kahit summer. And dito, merong ski resort dito. So yung ano na yun, ski resort na yun is Lee Canyon. Hindi ko lang kung mazoom siya. Ayan yung mga ski lift. See that? See that? Kaso it's closed kasi nabubukas siya pag winter lang. Pag may snow.
So they have the snow machines making the snow.
Snow machines making snow?
But the last couple,
Because there is no enough.
but the last couple years we had a lot of snow. It goes all the way back to right here, and that's on the other side of the mountain. All the stuff.
Yes, turista pero dito nakatira. So dito pala guys, mga 30 minutes away lang simula sa bahay namin. Basta 30 minutes or so, ganun. Yan, malabas na si Haring Araw. Kapag ka, gusto mong pumunta dito ng naka-helicopter, dito ka magla-landing, ganun. Siguro bukas mag-helicopter. Yeah, helipod.
What it is, look at it right there.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Helicopter landing area. Hi guys! So, nag-start na kami mag-hike right now. Ayan sila. So, medyo hindi ako prepared. Wala akong dalang hat. Hindi ako naka-hiking shoes. Pero that's fine. Yung outfit ko ngayon, hindi ako ready for hiking. Medyo mahirap kasi maglakad papunta dahil elevated siya. Pero mamaya pagpabalik, madali na lang kasi pababa naman siya.
Feathers don't shine brightly in the moonlight. I don't know how to sing a pretty song.
Mount Charleston Wilderness, Humboldt, Toyable.
Like water off a duck's back, you seem to slip away. Natural selection.
May pangalan niya.
Good thing, meron ditong data kahit pa paano.
Used to think I'd wanna be a
O, tingnan nyo guys. May hagdan siya papunta doon.
happy being just a quail. I used to think I'd wanna be a bird of
Ako na camera.
So, bakit bumalik ka dito?
Kunin mo na nga yan. Bakit na
Wala ka. Iiwan namin din yan.
Nakatakot kasi baka may lumabas.
like water off a duck's back.
Alright.
You seem to slip away. Natural selection.
Uy, may crocodile. May crocodile. Joke lang.
And I'll be okay.
Ganda.
Used to
Man down.
Welcome to Baguio.
Used to think I'd wanna be a bird of paradise. Now I'm happy
Go, guys.
being just a quail. I used to think I'd wanna be a bird of paradise. But now I'm happy being just a quail.
Hi guys! So ngayon ay papaba na kami dahil yung mga kasama ko hindi pagod na sila, tsaka kakain na kami. So ngayon medyo madali nang maglakad kasi pababa na kami.
Ayan guys, oh, pababa na siya. Kaya madali nang maglakad.
Kung nakapang hiking lang talaga ako, kaya ko pang lumayo. Kaso hindi talaga ako ready sa pagka-hike today. Akala ko kasi magsa-sightseeing lang kami. Hindi ko alam na magka-hiking pala. Kaya ayun, hindi ako ready.
Dito. Mas maganda siya kapag meron siyang mga snow.
And your colors. While I'm over here just tripping on my own feet.
Look at the view. I love you.
Can't fly all too
Grabe,
well,
I'm proud of
but
you.
it's
Hindi ka
not
pa
so hard
naloloka.
to tell.
Sayang
Don't got the
lang
moves, but I'm bobbing to my own beat.
Hi guys! So, dito kami sa may restaurant kaso puno yung restaurant kaya dito kami
Nasaan
kakain
ano?
sa kotse.
Yeah, very nice.
Okay, here, you can split it. That's yours.
Thank you.
Under her.
Here you go.
Sarap.
So, mamaya kakain daw kami sa may amin. Doon kami kakain. Kasi puno yung restaurant dito.
Kakain tayo sa BJ's.
Yay!
It's a joke. It's a joke.
I'm gonna share.
Are you?
Yeah, I'm going to share.
Oh, you want the basuke?
Nabot na ako. Hi guys, so we're back at the city. Ang init na. Ayan. Ito yung pinakagusto ko dito guys. Sa BJ's. Pizuki. Sobrang sarap niyan, grabe.
Can we get you guys started off with something to drink?
Okay. Do you have lemonade?
Yeah, we do have lemonade.
I'll take lemonade.
I'll take lemonade too.
Peach iced tea for her. Same with mine. Peach iced
We need water. We just came from Mount Charleston, so we're.
Thank you.
Ano na?
Ahi something. How do you read it?
Good. Ahi Poki.
Ahi Poki.
And we'll split it, and then she'll can have her. No,
Thank
one
you.
lemonade, right?
Lemonade.
And then that's the only thing they
Yeah.
know is here in the menu. One Mediterranean taco.
Izuki. Alright, thank you.
Of course. Are you guys doing okay on drinks, I think? Yes.
Here's
Can she get
Ahi
something else, like something? Give me something as sweet. What do you want? My salad. Not the ahi cookies.
Yeah.
I have balloons here, lady.
Solve. Sarap.
Alright, let me scoot that this way for you guys.
So that's the Pizookie, guys. Sobrang sarap nito, Babis. Sabano? Oh gosh, guys.
Oh my god.
Good, huh?